Let's cook chicken salpicao. Ingredients we need: chicken, Worcestershire sauce, not sponsored, garlic, soy sauce, not sponsored, brown sugar, salt and pepper. We need these lots of garlic. The reality of preparing the garlic. Cut your chicken small cubes. Let's marinate our chicken. I'm gonna eyeball it, guys. So let's put some Worcestershire sauce. Soy sauce. I'm just eyeballing, guys. Some pepper. Ground black pepper. A little bit of salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. And of course, just to balance it all, a little bit of brown sugar. That's it. Oops, I forgot. And for that extra garlic flavor, let's grate some garlic. Marinate your chicken for 10 to 15 minutes.
While waiting for the chicken, let's toast that garlic.
Let's aim for the golden brown garlic, guys.
On the same pan, put the chicken. To add some kick, put the chilies. To finish this recipe, put that garlic on top. This is our chicken salpicao.